My name is Lawrence Gigliarte, 19 from Balangobang, Binalonan. Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both and the local global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan dedicated producing highly competent and morally responsible opinions through innovation, industry force, education, sustainable research, and value-based curriculum. We commit, we commit shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing principle-centered culture and defining our values of mga Diyos marunong malinis. Core values, uprightness, excellent, and passion. The name of my instructor is Philip Michael Awanan. In Net 101, I learned the fundamentals of networking and how to how devices communicate within a network. I gain knowledge about network types such as LAN and the importance of routers, switches, and hubs. I also studied the OSI model and its 7 layers, which explain how data travels across a network. Hands-on lesson taught me how to use RD45 connectors, crimp cables, and follow wiring standards like T568A and T568B. I also learned about IP addressing, subnetting, and protocols such as TCP, IP, and DNS.